to this small episode. I'm excited to present something in Excel for you once more. So here I am. If you're given this kind of data, you can see we've got spaces here, rows that are what here empty. And then, of course, it'll be very important for you to do what here. It'll be very important for you to come and remove those empty rows. So I know what most of you will do. What most of you will do automatically here, you will come and highlight like this row number 5, and then you right click, then you go to delete. Interesting. Let me just undo that by saying Control Z. I'll return this. Now listen, if you're a good Excel enthusiast, what you need to do is to come and or rather highlight the entire sheet. Once you highlight the entire sheet, then you go to F5. You press F5. Once you press F5, you can see this go to special window. Please go to special. When you say special, you can see blanks. So you are able to see blanks here because it's blanks that I want to eliminate. So once I say like that, I'll say okay. So once I say okay, you can see all blanks have been highlighted. Then what do I want? I want to subtract all the blanks. So I'll say control, I'm holding on to control minus. When I say control minus, what am I seeing? A new pop-up window. Shift cells left, shift cells up. This is what I want. I would want, in this case, your cells that have values to be shifted up. So shift cells up, and then I should be able to say, okay. So what am I seeing? A very nice table. Now without what here, a very nice table without those spaces. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if, for example, they want me to give them the total, what do? I'll simply come and say Alt equals. I'm holding on to Alt permanently equals, and then I say enter. That's all I have for you for today. It's important that you yourself, as a parent, you need this kind of skills for data analysis. So you can connect with me for online training, or ensure that your kids who have just cleared high school, they join my mentorship academy, RCM College, which of course you can decide to study virtually, or you can come to RCM Stanbank House, first floor, for physical classes. Thank you always for listening to me.